Mastering the first conditional in English. Hello, learners. Welcome to today's video. We're going to focus on a critical concept in the English language, the first conditional. This powerful grammar tool lets us express certain possibilities in the future, and mastering it is a big step towards becoming an advanced English speaker. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The first conditional, also known as the real conditional, because it talks about real-world, probable situations, is used to talk about things which might happen in the future. Yes, things which have not happened yet, but there's a good chance they will. The structure is simple. We use if plus present simple tense in the condition clause, and will, won't plus base verb form in the result clause. Like this: if it rains, I will stay at home. In this sentence, it rains is the condition. The result, I will stay at home, depends on that condition happening. Note how we use the present simple tense for the condition, it rains, and will plus verb for the result, will stay. One cool thing about the first conditional is that the if clause and the will clause can be switched around without changing the meaning. So, we can say, I will stay at home if it rains. Still makes sense, right? Just remember to drop the comma when you put the if clause after the will clause. In the first conditional, instead of will, we can also use may, might, can, could, or should, depending on the level of certainty, permission, or advice we want to convey. For example, if you run fast, you could win the race. If you see my keys, you should tell me. In the first sentence, could suggests possibility, and in the second, should gives advice. Well, there you have it, folks. You've just learned about the first conditional in English. We talked about its structure, how you can switch the clauses around, and some variations you can use to convey different nuances. Remember, learning is all about practice, so try creating your own first conditional sentences and using them in your everyday English. As always, happy learning and see you in the next video.